Hi, today we're going to discuss how to broadcast our launch groups or broadcast changes to our launch groups individually, how to set up those launch groups, and how the whole broadcast process works. So let's take a look at, we've just received group 10 from Wilfred. So let's take a look at that now. Let's open this up. And he's given us this nice new list of sites here. And so I'm just going to be adding these sites to a broadcast group. Let's make this. Okay, yeah, there we go. So I'm going to add these 15, 17, 16 sites to a broadcast group so that we can broadcast them. So I'll do that now. So in order to do that, we just log into master. So we go to master.maxlivingwp/wp-admin. That takes us into the dashboard if we're already logged in. If not, it'll take us to the login screen. We log in, we'll get to the dashboard. In the left menu, we locate broadcast, and then this link that says blog groups 2. If I click that, it will actually allow me to create a broadcast group. So click global groups first, so that we're under global groups. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to say, go to the bottom and say create new blog group. Okay, and it creates a new blog group, and it kind of gives it this long kind of weird name here, but you'll notice that no blogs have been selected on it. So this is the one that I just created. So I'll click into this one, and I'll go ahead and give it a new name. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll search and hit the checkbox for all these sites. So first site on the list is Madison Maximize Living. So I can use my browser search, Control F. I'm using the search in my browser up here, and I'm just going to put Madison, and there's that one. And I'll just move down the list and do them all like this. New Hope, added. Control F. First Chiropractic Life Center, added. Control F. Health from Within. And this one says Health from Within Chiropractic Wellness Center. So we choose the Chiropractic Wellness Center one. And then we have another ADO on here. Interesting. ADIO. And I'm just going to go ahead and check all three of these because we're not sure which one it is. And I'm going to do Herb Family Wellness. We're recording a video right now. And then I'm going to Control F again and get Align. And that's going to be Align Chiropractic LLC. So that's that one. And then let's add the rest of these. We have Maples Chiropractic. We have KC Wellness. Hello Family Chiropractic, and we have Dakota Life. No, not finding that one. Okay, so when this happens, when we can't find it in the list, we'll go ahead and look and refer to the URL. In this case, it's called Williams Family Chiropractic. Let me just search for Williams real quick. Look at that. That's under a different name. Williams Family Chiropractic. Ladue Family Chiropractic and Wellness Center. And we want Green Walt. Okay, Green Walt's not on here, but they also call themselves Power Up Chiropractic. There they are. And last we have Rouch. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Rouch Chiropractic Wellness Center. And the last one is Clark Family. So Control F, Clark Family Chiropractic. So once I have all the blogs that I want to add in this list selected, then I can drop all the way to the bottom of the screen and say Update Group. And this will save my update group and will allow me to now broadcast to this group. So once it saves, we'll be able to see it in the list of global groups here. And there's launch group 10, 17 blogs selected. So we'll go back And the next step is to now use that blog group that we've created to broadcast to. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go into our pages, because what we're wanting to broadcast this time is pages. Of course, if it was posts, we could go to posts and broadcast to this group 10 and broadcast all the posts to this group 10. But in this case, we're doing pages. So we'll go over to all pages. And then for this one, we're going to be checking next to the pages we want to broadcast, because we're going to broadcast multiple pages. So I'm checking next to Home Master. I'm checking next to New Patient Paperwork. I'm checking next to Our Clinic, Our Team, and Request an Appointment. Okay, and so I'm going to broadcast these 5 pages out to all those sites that I just added to a group. So I go down to the bulk actions here, and I select Send to Many. Okay, and then click Apply, and that's going to bring up a dialog, the Send to Many dialog. And here's the steps to make sure that you broadcast correctly. First thing you do is locate Show All and click Show All. Roll it all the way down to the page and say Deselect All. So the starting state should have none of these blogs checked. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll say post with same, delete post with same title, delete post with same slug, and delete post with similar slugs. Once we have all those settings, then we can draw our group in 10. And if we roll down the page, we can see that, yes, it's checked all those blogs that we set aside as group 10. And once I've verified all that, I can just click the Send to Many button, and that will initiate the broadcast to those sites. Now, if you ever want to see what the state of your broadcast is, you can go back to the broadcast area and click Queue. And in here, you'll see all the sites that are being attempted to be sent out to. So we're sending Our Team to all these sites. We're sending Our Team to all these sites. Home Master to all these sites, New Patient Paperwork to all these sites. And so this shows your broadcast queue, and as you can see, it's processing these items as it gets to them. So that concludes how to broadcast to specific groups of sites. Please contact me if you have any further questions. Thank you.